Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss beta distribution of first kind, its definition and integral. So what is the definition? First of all, definition. So definition of beta distribution of first kind. For example, if x is a continuous random variable and within the interval 0 to 1, that is, it takes the limits in between 0 and 1 with the probability density function f of x is equal to 1 by beta mn. It is denoted by beta b, beta mn, 1 by beta mn into x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1. This is what if the probability density function is equal to 0 otherwise, and between the range, that is limits of x 0 less than x less than 1, or we can also write less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So if the continuous random variable x in the limits 0 and 1 with this probability density function f of x is equal to beta mn x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1, then such random variable is known as beta distribution of first kind. So this is what the distribution, beta distribution of first kind. Any kind of random variable x having this particular probability density function is called beta distribution of first kind with the parameters m comma n. With the parameters m comma n, it is denoted by x follows beta distribution of first kind with the parameters m comma n. This is what the definition. Now integral, beta distribution of first kind integral. What is the formula of integral? That is the next important point. It is very simple. It is integral 0 to 1 between the limits 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx is equal to beta of m comma n. Beta of m comma n. This is what beta integral of first kind. Beta distribution of first kind integral, or simply we can specify beta integral of first kind. Integral 0 to 1, you see, refer here, x power m minus 1, 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx. If the function is in the form of x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1, and the integration between the range, in the range 0 to 1, if you consider x limits are 0 to 1, then this integrand becomes beta m comma n. So I give you the formula of beta m comma n. The beta m comma m can be written as gamma m gamma n divided by gamma of m plus n. This is what one important formula of beta mn. Gamma m gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. This is what beta distribution of first kind definition and also the integral. These are two particular definitions I have considered, topics I have considered in this particular class. Thank you.